First, cut out the design that you would like. Place face down on a sandwich bag or a piece of cling wrap if you prefer. Cover with damp paper towel. When backing is thoroughly wet, simply slide away. This is the side that will go onto the nails, so we need to flip over our plastic sheet. You can see this is the gold side that will show on the nail. Pop the nail flat onto your work area. Remember, we're working with the sticky layer of the colour coat. Line up the skin as to where you want it on the nail and simply press down. We can remove the plastic sheet. Adjust any bubbles or wrinkling on the skin by simply pulling the edges straight and stretched slightly across the nail. Press down lightly with your finger or the spatula tool and work your way around the entire nail. Once you're happy, give it a flash cure, about 10 seconds, and then we can go on to remove the excess skin. Simply take a sponge buffer and in one direction trap the skin between the nail and the buffer, and it comes off very easily. Avoid the temptation to pull at any bits that are still stuck and remove them with the sponge buffer instead. Once we're done, just make sure the sides are down nice and flat to the nail. Grab some isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush and give the entire nail a coat of isopropyl alcohol. Repeat those steps for all nails and you'll have a lovely set. This is an example of a full skin that's going to cover the whole entire nail. Work your way around. You can see there's some wrinkling here. Use your tweezers as a help to pick up those skins. Work your way around, just pulling and adjusting the skin onto the nail to make sure all areas are flat and wrinkle free. Flash cure. And use your sponge buffer at that 90-degree angle in the one direction to just work your way around the nail and remove the excess skin. Any little raggy bits like that, simply pop down. The isopropyl alcohol will melt that into the nail and remove those little raggy bits. When the nails are done, seal the skins with a coat of base gel and cure for 30 seconds. Finally, apply your top coat, cure for 60 seconds, and you're done. Super easy to apply, beginner friendly, and perfect results every time.